is basically a Facebook tool that allows you to create messenger bots. So that's basically what it is. Now, that doesn't really help you understand what the hell it is. So instead, let's just go and have a look. So a messenger bot is something what happens when you go to a page. Let me go and show you some messenger bots. I'm sure that Instant Natural will have one. So this is Instant Natural. You should go and do this yourself. Go and check it out. That's Instant Natural. These are pretty sharp marketers at Instant Natural. Go away. All right, so look, that's a messenger bot doing all this. This is all messenger bots. There isn't somebody there sending me this. There is somebody just who set up a messenger bot, and now whenever I go to their page, this is what I see. We just wanted to check back with you to see if you're still interested in limited bot offer, blah, 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 blah. Yes or no answer. Yes means that they do more stuff for me. No means they send me other stuff. So that's kind of how it works. It's a messenger bot. Another one that I can think of would be probably Dr. Eric Berg. I happen to know the guy what does all of his marketing. Yeah, let's just get rid of that one. Why can't I get rid of that? Isn't that freaking irritatingly annoying? Go away, that. All right, so here, look, Dr. Eric Berg. Yeah, you guys go and do this too, so you can see it. Center all. Dr. Eric Berg. Hey Neil, to get started, just tap below. So that's a quiz that they've put together. Let's just tap. And you can see what happens. Here's step 1. Hey Neil, welcome to the ketogenic quiz. I put this together to help you get a better understanding of ketosis. Blah, 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 blah. Start the quiz. All right, so they put together a quiz using Manychat to engage their customers and also to get a better understanding of them. All right, now there is definitely that's a great thing to do, and there's definitely some really cool marketing strategies that you can do using Manychat. However, firstly, it's pretty advanced as a marketing strategy. Secondly, you have to be doing Facebook ads to be really getting the main benefit of chatbots. And thirdly, unless you are running your Facebook ads to your Amazon pages and stuff like that, it's kind of a waste of time. So always these things need to be taken in with a context of what you're doing in your overall marketing strategy. If you're not running any Facebook marketing for your Amazon business, then using Manychat is just a complete waste of your time. Don't do it. You're much better off doing something else for your Amazon business. And I think as well, in terms of a hierarchy of things that I would focus on, this does not come in my top 5 things. I would be, for an Amazon business, doing Amazon PPC, number 1. If you are in a marketplace where Amazon PPC is available, that's number 1 thing you should be doing as extra marketing. Google AdWords, Bing ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads are what I would think of as the natural evolution of marketing for an Amazon business, Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.